Hello dear students, welcome to A. Shah's Young IAS. This is Ms. Akshita Nair, a faculty with A. Shah's, and this video is all about the most elementary and the basic topic of reasoning, which is called as series. So what do you understand by the word series? Series would mean a sequence or a pattern, you can say in short, or else you can say something which comes one after the another. Okay, so we'll just read and understand more about series here. In series, alphabets, letters, numbers are given in a specific sequence. Okay, so a specific pattern is followed here. We have to find out the next word to complete the series. Okay, in a question, a blank space would be given to you all, and after reading and analyzing the question, you would have to complete the series. A certain pattern is followed. You have to understand the logic behind every sequence, series, number, and missing term. Okay, different types of questions would be asked, and every question would have a different pattern, and there would be some or the other logic behind every pattern. So you have to basically understand the logic and answer accordingly. Okay, so series is a sequential order of letters, numbers, or alphabets. In questions on series, a specified sequence of numbers or a combination of both is given, where one of the term of the series is either missing at the end of the series or in between the series. So you are required to identify the pattern involved in the formation of series and accordingly find the missing term to complete the series. Okay. So these are the types of series here. You have the alphabet series, letter series, and number series. So in this particular video, we'll be covering all these three series in details. Okay. So before getting started with the topic, you should know the alphabets from A to Z and its corresponding numbers also. Okay. Say for example, if A is 1, B is 2, Z is 26, Y is 25, X is 24. This particular numbering, you can say, or every alphabet with its corresponding numbers should be known to you all. Okay, so getting started with the alphabet series here. The first question asked is complete the alphabet series. So a question would be given to you all in this format and 4 options would be given to you all. You have to analyze and answer accordingly. K, A, M, A, L, L, A, M, A, question mark. So what next here? So if you observe this question carefully, what have they done is basically they have split this question into 2 parts. So KAMAL is the first part, LAMA dash is the second part. So if this is KAMAL and if this is dash AMAL, what would come here? Definitely K. That's why the answer here is C option K. Moving ahead. Second question. Complete the alphabet series A, C, E, G, I, and then what next? Here if you observe, A and C needs to have some relation, C and E, E and G, G and I with this particular blank space. Okay, so A plus what would give you C? A plus 2 would give you C. Same thing, C plus what would give you E? C plus 2 would give you E. E plus what would give you G? E plus 2 would give you G, and G plus 2 would also give you I. So here the sequence of 2, 2, 2, 2 is followed. So I plus 2 would give you this particular answer here. So I plus 2, the answer here is K. That's why the answer is A option K. Third question. Complete the alphabet series. You have P, N, L, J, dash, F, D. Here if you observe, P and N needs to have some relation, N and L, L and J, J with this particular blank space with F, F and D. So here if you observe carefully, P minus N, P minus 2 would give you the answer here as N. And N minus 2 would give you the answer here as L. L minus 2 would give you the answer as J. J minus 2 would give you this particular answer here, which is what? J minus 2, the answer here is H. That's why the answer here is B option H. And H minus 2 would give you F, and F minus 2 would give you D. That's why the answer here is B option H. Moving ahead to the fourth question. Complete the alphabet series. You have Y, X, V, S, O, dash. So here if you observe Y and X, Y minus 1 would give you X. Now X and V. X minus 2 would give you V. Now V and S. V minus 3 would give you S. And now S and O. S minus 4 would give you O. And O minus 5 would give you this particular answer here. So O minus 5, the answer here is J. That's why A option J is the correct answer here. Fifth question. Complete the alphabet series here. A, D, G, J, M, P, dash. So here if you observe, A plus 3 would give you D here. D plus 3 would give you G. Same thing, G plus 3 would give you J. J plus 3 would give you M. M plus 3 would give you P. And same thing if you do here, P plus 3 would give you the answer here, which is S. That's why DS is the correct answer here. Moving on to the sixth question now. Complete the alphabet series X, Z, X, U, Q, L, dash. So here if you observe carefully, Z and X. Z minus 2, the answer would be X. Same thing, now X minus 3, the answer would be U. U minus 4, the answer would be Q. Q minus 5, the answer would be L. Now L minus 6 would give you this answer here. So L minus 6, the answer is F. That's why A option F is the correct answer here. Next question now. Complete the alphabet series Z, X, dash, N, F. So now here if you observe Z and X, Z minus 2 would give you X. And if you observe this here, now this is a blank, so we cannot analyze here. Now here you observe N and F. So what? N minus what is F? N minus 8 would be F. So if this is minus 2 and if this is minus 8, I feel this could be minus 4 and minus 6. So let's see. So let's take it as X minus 4. X minus 4 is what? T. Yes. And T minus 6 is what? T minus 6 is N. That's why A option T is the correct answer here. Eighth question now. Complete the alphabet series L, N, R, Z, dash. So now here if you observe L and N. L plus 2 is N. Now N and R. N plus 4 is R. Now R and Z. R plus 8 is Z. So now this is going in the multiples of 2, 4, 8. So what next here? It has to be 16. So Z plus 16 will give you this answer here. So Z plus 16, the answer here is C option. So C option is the correct answer here. P is the correct answer. Ninth question now. Complete the alphabet series B, D, F, I, L, P, dash. So now if you observe here B and D. B plus 2, the answer would be D here. Now D and F. D plus 2, the answer would be F here. Now F and I. F plus 3, the answer here is I. And same thing. I plus 3, the answer here is L. Now L plus 4, the answer here is P. So same thing. Now P plus 4 will give you this answer here. So P plus 4, the answer is T. That's why D option T is your correct answer here. 10th question now. Complete the alphabet series W, U, S, P, M, I, dash. So now if you observe here W and U, what is the connection between W and U? W minus 2, the answer is U. Now U and S. U minus 2, the answer is S. Now S and P. S minus 3, the answer here is P. Now P and M. P minus 3, the answer here is M. Now M and I. M minus 4, the answer here is I. So same thing now. So I minus 4 would give you this particular answer here. So I minus 4 is E. That's why A option E is your correct answer here. Next question now. C, comma E, comma I, comma K, comma O, comma Q, comma dash. So now if you observe here C and E. C plus 2, the answer is E. Now E and I. E plus 4, the answer here is I. I and K. I plus 2, the answer here is K. Now K plus 4, the answer here is O. Now O and Q. O plus 2, the answer here is Q. So Q plus 4 would give you this particular answer here. Why? Because this is going in the pattern of plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. So Q plus 4, the answer here is U. That's why D option U is the correct answer here. Now the 12th question. Complete the alphabet series. You have A, B, C, P, Q, R, D, E, F, S, T, U. The next what? So now if you observe here, this is a question of the alternate series. Okay. So A, B, C is there. Then you have the continuation here as D, E, F. So what would continue here? Definitely G, H and I. That's why C option is your correct answer here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So C option G, H, I is your correct answer. Now the 13th question. Complete the alphabet series. You have A, C, E, comma, B, D, F, comma, C, E, G, comma, dash. So now if you observe here, you have a A here, B here, C here. Then definitely the first alphabet would be D. But all the 4 options are D here, so you cannot choose a correct option. So now you have C here, you have D here, you have E here. So definitely it has to be F. So D and F, we have already got a pair here. Okay. Now you have E, F, G. So it has to be H. That's why D, F, H, C option is your correct answer. So 13, C. Moving on to the 14th question now. Complete the alphabet series. You have R, comma, O, comma, L, comma, I, comma, F, comma, dash, comma, Z. So now if you observe here, what is the connection between R and O? R minus 3, the answer here is O. So same thing, minus 3, you have to do it for all the terms here and you will get the answer here as C. So B option C is the correct answer here. 15th question now. Complete the alphabet series. PMK, MPK, MKP and KMP. So here the first 2 letters and the last 2 letters interchange their positions alternately. Okay, they interchange their positions alternately. That's why the correct answer is the D option, KPM. So this is all with the alphabet series. Now we'll start with the letter series here. Okay, so before starting with the letter series, there are a few rules which you have to keep in your mind. So just observe this here. If 12, this means if there are 12 terms, then you have to divide this into 3 or 4. If there are 15, then you have to divide it into 3 or 5. If 16, then 4. If 18, then 3 or 6. If 20, then 4 or 5. If 21, then 7. If 24, then 4 or 6. And if 17, then 16 or 1. Okay, so now we'll see how this rule is being applied here. So now, the first question is dash STT dash TT dash TTS dash. So now the first thing is you have to count the number of terms here. Okay, count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 here. So the first thing you'll have to do is if 12, then either 3 or 4. So we'll split this into 3 parts. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3 is your first. then 1, 2, 3, this particular pair, then 1, 2, 3 here, and last 1, 2, 3 you have to split. Okay, if at all you are solving this, then please split this with a pencil here. Okay, so now once you get it, so you get a pair as TS dash, and you have a dash ST. So if you have a dash ST, then definitely this is going to be T here. And if you have dash ST, so you have a TS dash. So it's going to be a T here. Now T dash T is what will come in between S. Same thing, T dash then S. That's why your correct answer is A option, TSST. Second question now, AB dash, BA dash, AB dash B. So in this particular question, if you observe, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if there are 10 terms, split this into 2. Okay, so AB would be the first term, dash B second, A dash third, AB fourth, and this last one fifth. So now if you observe, we already have a complete pair here. AB is a complete pair, so we know that this particular thing is followed. So if there's AB here and dash B, what would come here? Definitely A. And you have A and dash, so what would come here? A and B. And you already have a AB here and dash B. So A. That's why your option A, B, A, C option is the correct answer here. Now the third question here. ADB dash, AC dash D, A dash CD, DCB dash, DBC dash, CBDA. So count the number of terms here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24. There are 24 here in total. Okay. So if there are 24, split this into 4, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, the second part. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, the third part. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth part. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth part. And this last one, sixth part. So now if you observe here, we have a complete pair here, which is CBDA. We have CBDA here. So this means that, you know, all the ABCD alphabets should come in one particular pair. Okay, so if you have CBDA here and if you have ADB dash, so what would come here? Definitely C. So now next one, if you see AC dash D, what would come here? Definitely B. You have A dash CD, what would come here? Again B. Now if you observe here, what would come here in this particular thing? A would come here. Okay, C, B, A, D. Now A, C, this particular, what would come here? D, B, C, again A. That's why B option, C, B, B, A, A is the correct answer here. Please split this with a pencil. It would be easy for you all while solving. Fourth question now. B dash A, B, B, C dash, B, B, C, A dash, B, C, A, B, B dash, AB. So now if you observe here, count the number of terms. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total 20 terms are there here. So if there are 20, then split this either into 4 or 5. So we'll take it as 4. Okay, so B dash A, B would be the first one. B, C dash B second one. B, C, A dash third one. BCAB fourth one, and this one again is there. Okay, so now if you observe here, you are already getting a complete pair here, which is BCAB. This means you have B dash AB again BC here. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next one, if you see here, you have B dash AB. What would come there? BCAB. Same thing now. BC dash B. So what would come there? A. Same thing. BCA. What would come here? B. That's why your option C is correct here. The fifth question now. You have AC dash CAB dash BACA dash ABA dash ACAC. So in this particular question, if you count again, you have 20 terms here. Okay, so 20, then split this into 4 or 5. So let's take it as 4. So AC dash C is the first part, AB dash B second part, ACA dash third part, ABA dash fourth part, and this last one fifth part. So now if you see, you have a complete pair here which you're getting it as ACAC. So if this is ACAC, then again AC dash C, what would come here? Straight away A you can put here. Same thing now, ACA dash, straight away you can put here as ACAC. So C would come here, okay? Now if you observe here, you have AB dash B and you have AB A dash. What would come there? Definitely the answer would be AB AB, and same thing AB and A. That's why AACB is the correct answer here. So fifth question, A option is the correct answer. Now the sixth question, dash OP dash MO dash N dash dash PNMOPN. So now count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You have 16. 16 means 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Split this. First part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third part. And 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth part. So now if you observe here, you have MOP dash. MOP dash. Okay. So now you have dash OP. What would come here? Definitely M. Okay. So now you have MO dash N. You have an N here. So straight away we can write N here and again N here. So same thing if you do, you get the answer here as MNPMON. Seventh question now. AC dash C, AB dash B, ACA dash ABA dash. So in this question, if you observe, count the number of terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So there are 16 here. So 16 means it has to be 4. So AC dash C the first part, AB dash B the second part, ACA dash the third part, and ABA dash the fourth part. So now you have ACA dash here and you have AC dash C. So we can straight away put this A here and you can straight away put a C here. Now if you observe here, you have a ABA dash and you have a AB dash B. So what would come here? If A is there here, straight away we can put an A here also. And now you have a B here, so you can straight away put a B here also. That's why the correct answer is A option, AACB. Now the eighth question. AA dash B dash A BB dash dash BB. So now count. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if there are 12 here, you can split this into 2. So AA the first part, dash B the second part, dash A the third part, BB the fourth part, dash dash the fifth part, and BB the sixth part. So you already have a complete pair here, BB. This means that dash B means this is again going to be B here. Okay, now you have a dash A and you have a complete pair of AA here. So you can straight away put this as AA here. And now you have this alternate, okay, AA, BB, AA, BB. So what would come here? Definitely AA. That's why your correct answer is the C option, B, AAA. Ninth question now. You have ABC dash, you have BC dash, B dash. So count the number of terms. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if there are 9, then split this into 3, 3 each. Okay, so ABC is the first part, dash BC second part, dash B dash third part. So you already have a complete pair here, which is ABC. So we can straight away insert A here, ABC, and A, B is already given, so A, B, and C. That's why A option, AAC, is the correct answer here for the ninth one. 10th question now. You have A dash BB, A dash B dash, AA, B dash, A dash BB, AA, B. So count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You have 19. So whenever you all have 19, what you all should do is just take 18 and the last one, 19th one, just leave it aside. So if there are 18 now, what would you all do? Try to take it in the minimum term. Okay, so let's take it as 2. So AA first one, A dash first one, this BB second one, this third pair, fourth one, this A fifth one, this one sixth, this A dash seventh, this is 8th, and this is 9th. Okay, so if this way, if you all, will be easy for you all. So you all have a lot of complete pairs here, which is BB, BBA. So this means that the alphabets are same. Okay, so you will get a here, BB, A, and again A here, and BB, AA, then B, again a B here, then A. That's why the correct answer is the B option, BAA, BB. Okay, this is the way how you all should solve letter series carefully. Now moving on to the number series part. Okay, so getting started with the number series. The first question is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, dash. So now what is the relation between these numbers here? 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So definitely 20 plus 4 would give you this particular answer here. So 20 plus 4, the answer is 24. That's why D option 24 is the correct answer here. Second question now. You have 2, 3, 5, 8, 12, 17, dash. So now if you observe here, what is the relation between 2 and 3? 2 plus 1 would be 3. Now 3 and 5. 3 plus 2 would be 5. Now 5 and 8. 5 plus 3, the answer here is 8. Now 8 and 12. 8 plus 4, the answer here is 12. Now 12 and 17. 12 plus 5, the answer here is 17. So like this is going in the pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely 17 plus 6 would be this answer here. 17 plus 6, the answer is 23. That's why A option 23 is the correct answer here. Third question now. You have 48, 43, 38, 33, 28, and next what? So if you observe here, 48 minus what is 43? 48 minus 5 is 43. Same thing, 43 and 38. 43 minus 5 is 38. Now 38 and 33. 38 minus 5 is 33. Now 33 and 28. 33 minus 5 is 28. So 28 minus 5 would give you this answer here. So 28 minus 5 is 23. That's why C option 23 is the correct answer here. The fourth question now. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, dash. So now if you observe here, these are the squares of some numbers. Okay, so 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So if this is going in the pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the next one should be 7 square. So 7 square is 49. That's why A option 49 is your correct answer here. Now the fifth question. You have 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, dash. So now if you observe here, as this was the square, now these numbers are the cube of some particular numbers. Okay, so 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So definitely this has to be 6 cube, and 6 cube is 216. So B option 216 is your correct answer here. The sixth question now. You have 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, what next? So now if you observe here, 6 and 9. What is the connection between 6 and 9? 6 plus 3, the answer is 9. So same way, so if you do 9 plus 3, the answer is 12. 12 plus 3, the answer is 15. 15 plus 3, the answer is 18. And 18 plus 3, the answer is 21. That's why A option 21 is the correct answer here. Moving ahead to the next question. You have 15, 30, 60, 120, 240, dash. So now if you observe here, what is the relation between 15, 30, 60, 120, 240? Basically, you can say multiples of 2. So 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 120, 120 2s are 240, and 240 2s are 480. That's why A option 480 is your correct answer here. The eighth question now. You have 360, 180, 90, 45, 22.5, then question mark. So if you observe here, what could be the logic behind this? So 360 divided by 2, the half of 360 is 180. Same thing, the half of 180 is 90. The half of 90 is 45. The half of 45 is 22.5. So the half of 22.5 should be 11.25. That's why B option 11.25 is the correct answer here. So basically they have divided it by 2. Okay, they have divided each term by 2 here. So B option is your correct answer. Ninth question. You have 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, 19. Then next what? So if you observe here 4 and 5. So 4 plus what is 5? 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 5 and 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 7 and 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Now 10 and 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now 14 and 19. 14 plus 5 is 19. And now 19 plus 6 would be this answer here. So 19 plus 6 is what? It's 25. That's why D option 25 is your correct answer here. The 10th question now. You have 3.5, 7, 10.5, 14, dash. So if you observe here, the double of 3.5 is 7. So what have they done is 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. Okay, so 7 plus 3.5 is 10.5. So 10.5 plus 3.5 is 14. So 14 plus 3.5 would give you what? Would give you 17.5. So basically they have added 3.5 with every term here. That's why 14 plus 3.5 is 17.5 and D is your correct answer here. The 11th question now. You have 445, 444, 442, 439, 435. The next what? So if you observe, 445 minus 1 is 444. Now 444 minus 2 is 442. Same thing now. 442 minus 3 would give you 439. 439 minus 4 would give you 435. So definitely 435 minus 5 would give you this answer here. So 435 minus 5 is 430. That's why C option 430 is your correct answer here. Now the 12th question here. You have 12, 12, 24, 72, 288, dash. So now if you observe here, just you all can just leave this 12 here because same thing. 12 into 1 is 12. Okay, 12 into 1 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Okay, so 24 into what is 72? 24 into 3 is 72. Now same thing, 72 into what is 288. 72 into 4 is 288 and 288 into 5 is 1440. So it is increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 12 into 1, 12, 12 2s are, now 3s are. Same way it's increasing here. That's why 288 into 5 would give you 1440. So A option is your correct answer here. The 13th question now. 7, 12, 19, 28, 39, dash. So now if you observe here, what is the relation between 7 and 12? 7 plus 5, the answer is 12. Now 12 and 19. 12 plus 7, it is 19. Now 19 and 28. 19 plus 9 is 28. 28 and 39. 28 plus 11 is 39. So like now this is 5, 7, 9, 11. So definitely it has to be 13. Okay. So 39 plus 13, answer is what? 39 plus 13, the answer here is 52. That's why A option 52 is your correct answer here. The 14th question. You have 36, 28, 24, 22. Then what next? So if you observe 36 and 28, what is the relation between these two numbers? 36 minus 8, the answer is 28. So 28 minus 4, the answer is 24. 24 minus 2, the answer is 22. Okay. And 22 minus 1, the answer would be what? 21. So what have they done here is 36 minus 8. So minus 8, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, it is getting its half. Okay, it's becoming half and it's being subtracted by the same. So 22 minus 1, answer would be 21. That's why C option 21 is the correct answer here. The 15th question now. You have 7, 9, 13, 21, 37. The next what? So if you observe here 7 and 9, 7 plus 2, the answer is 9. Now 9 plus 4, the answer is 13. 13 plus 8, the answer is 21. 21 plus 16, the answer is 37. So definitely it has to be 16's double. Okay, so 37 plus 32, the answer would be 69. Okay, so this was plus 2, plus 4, plus 8, plus 16 and plus 32. Okay, that's why 37 plus 32, the answer here is 69. So C option 69 is your correct answer here. The 16th question now. You have 27, 32, 30, 35, 33. Next what? So if you observe here, 27 and 32. So 27 plus 5 is 32. Same thing now. 32 and 30. 32 minus 2 is 30. Okay. So now 30 and 35. 30 plus 5 is 35. Now 35 and 33. 35 minus 2 is 33. So definitely the answer has to be 33 plus 5. Why? Because this is going in the sequence of plus 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2. So definitely 33 plus 5, the answer is 38. That's why D option 38 is the correct answer here. The 17th question now. You have 71, 59, 48, 38, 29. Next what? So if you observe now 78 and 59. Sorry, 71 and 59. 71 minus what is 59? 71 minus 12 is 59. Same thing now. 59 and 48. 59 minus 11 is 48. Now same thing. 48 and 38. 48 minus 10 is 38. Now 38 and 29. 38 minus 9 is 29. So definitely 29 minus 8. Why 8? Because this is going in the sequence of minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9 and minus 8. That's why 29 minus 8 would be 28. Okay, that's why 28, but they have a small typing error is there here. Here it should have been 21, you can say. Okay, that's why D option is correct. Okay, they have already given a 21 here, fine. So this has to be B here and not D. Okay, so just make it B here. So 29 minus 8 would be 21. So that's why B is correct option here. The 18th question now. You have 14, 21, 30, 41, 54, dash. So now if you observe here 14 and 21. 14 plus 7, the answer is 21. 21 and 30. 21 plus 9, the answer is 30. Now 30 and 41. 30 plus 11, the answer is 41. Now 41 and 54. 41 plus 13, the answer is 54. So you know these are the numbers. Now 54 plus what? If you see now you have 7 here, 9, 11, 13. So it has to be 15 here. Why? Because two numbers are getting added. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. That's why 54 plus 15. The answer is 69. That's why C option 69 is your correct answer here. Now the 19th question here, you have 2, 5, 10, dash, 26. So now if you observe 2 and 5, 2 plus what is 5? 2 plus 3 is 5. Now 5 and 10. 5 plus what is 10? 5 plus 5 is 10. So we already have a 3 and a 5 here. Okay. So now 10 and something should come here. So now 3, 5, it could be 7. So let's take it as 7. So 10 plus 7 is what? 17. Yes, so 17 would be the answer here. C option 17. And 17 plus 9, 9. 17 plus 9, the answer is 26. Okay, that's why 3, 5, 7 and 9. That's why the answer here is C option 76. The 20th question now. You have 1, 6, 15, dash, 45, 66, 91. So if you observe now, 1 and 6, 1 plus 5, the answer is 6. The same thing, 6 and 15. 6 plus 9, the answer is 15. Now 15 plus something should be this answer here. So it is 5, 9. So what could be the answer here? The answer could be 13. So let's take it as 13 and see. So 15 plus 13, the answer should be 28. Yes, that's why D option 28 is correct answer here. Now 28 plus 17, the answer is 45. 45 plus 21, the answer is 66. 66 plus 25, the answer is 91. So what have they done here is they have increased every number by 4 here. So we had a 5 here. Okay, after 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Same thing. Then you have 13, then 17, then 21, and then 25. So 66 plus 25, it's 91. That's why D option 28 is correct here. So that is all with series chapter here. For further videos, you can log on to our website, which is www.youngias.com, and there you can get the links of our further videos. So thank you.